Alumni Club, Anna University. Today is our club day, Saturday, the 19th of September 2015. A nice cool day, it rained all night, and the weather turns out to be very, very club member friendly. This event is for the members of the club, their families, all lit up, ready to celebrate the club's founding day. Hey, Angudir, Vanakkam, PRS with Shekhar.
Close friend.
Good evening.
Good evening.
Hey, good evening. The announcements are being made. Warm welcome, they say.
Yes.
Here we are.
தெக்கணமும் அது சிறந்த திராவிடனல் திருநாடும் தக்க சிறு பிறை நுதலும் தரித்தனரும் திலகமுமே அத்திலக வாசனை போல் அனைத்துலகும் இன்பமுற எத்திசையும் புகழ் மணக்க இருந்த பெரும் தமிழனங்கே தமிழனங்கே உன் சீரிழமை திறம்பியந்து செயல் மறந்து வாழ்த்துதுமே வாழ்த்துதுமே வாழ்த்துதுமே.
Thank you so much. We have with us Mr. Prem, who's been the member in charge for the Club Day Committee. So, sir, tell the crowd more about what you have planned today.
Like to have a lot of fun. I think that sums it up.
What a joy to say hi to Vijay and Ramdas here. Wonderful. Good evening, guys.
What's Suresh?
Oh, of course. Thank you so much, Kavya. Thank you so much, Saravnan. Thank you so much, Alumni Club, for having given us this wonderful opportunity.
They are the Bharati Entertainment.
I know.
Jay here.
Good timing.
Who could have made me a better thermodynamics guy than
Kavya is going to sing, eh?
கண்ணன் வந்து பாடுகின்றான் காலமெல்லாம் கண்ணில் என்ன கோபம் என்றால் காதல் சொன்னான் காற்றில் குழலோசை பேசும் பூமேடை மேலே கண்ணன் வந்து பாடுகின்றான் காலமெல்லாம் கண்ணில் என்ன கோபம் என்றால் காதல் சொன்னான்.
Hey Ram,
With the kind permission of the secretary, good evening to you.
good evening.
Very fine evening and the very best wishes for a wonderful evening to
Have a
you.
wonderful time, all of you.
You too, Mr. Mohan. Great.
Great, thank you.
என்ன என்ன வார்த்தைகளோ சின்னவிழி பார்வையிலே சொல்லி சொல்லி முடித்து விட்டேன் சொல்லுவதே புரியவில்லை.
Very happy to welcome our former secretary, Shri Mal. Good evening to you, sir. Very happy to say hi to Mrs. Mowley here. Good evening to you. Good evening.
Very happy to have our guest of honor, Mr. Eisenhower, amongst us. Thank you, sir, for taking your time and coming today. Another important VIP we have here today is our College of Engineering Gindi's former director and I think the first dean, if I'm not wrong, Mr. T.R. Jagadishan with us.
Professor
Thank you,
T.R.J.
Professor T.R. Jagadishan has.
சொல்லிட்டாளே அவ காதல சொல்லும்போது சுகம் தாழல இது போல் ஒரு வார்த்தையை யாரிடமும் நெஞ்சு கேட்கல இனி வேறொரு வார்த்தையை கேட்டிடவும் எண்ணி பார்க்கல அவ சொன்ன சொல்ல போதும் அது கீழே இல்லை ஏதும் ஏதோ
சொல்லிட்டேனே காதலா தோடே சபதாடலா இது போல ஒரு வார்த்தை யாரிடமும் சொல்லத் தோணலா இனி வேறொரு வார்த்தை பேசிடவும் என்ன தோழலா உணரவே ஏதோ அது கீழே
Mowley with us.
Hello.
Hi, good evening, sir.
Very good evening, sir.
Can't you be on the swing as well?
Kritika.
I know you're.
Hi, Gidu.
Hi. Right in the camera, he knows how to do that.
Yeah. Oh.
Hey, Subhash and Tiger doing a fabulous job. Good evening, guys. Fantastic. Thank you very much.
That you picked up a much larger
Shiv Sai, a former committee member, big boss. Jay here. I'm here. We have Owen. Suresh is going to do the drumming now.
Thank you so much.
ड्रम मारो ड्रम तुम.
ராஜராஜ சோழன் எதையாளும் காதல் தேசம் வீரா ராஜராஜ சோழன் எதையாளும் காதல் தேசம் வீரா பூமி காதல் வீரே ராஜராஜ சோழன் எதையாளும் காதல் தேசம் வீரா பூமி காதல் வீரே. கண்ணோடு கண்களேற்றும் கற்பூர தீபமே கைதீண்டும் போது பாயும் மின்சாரமே உல்லாச மேடை மேலே ஓரக்க நாடகம் இன்பங்கள் பாடம் சொல்லும் என் தாயகம் இங்கெங்கு ஊஞ்சலாக நான் ஓடுகிறேன் அங்கெங்கு ஆசைத்தீயில் ஆண்டேகிறேன் உண்டாக போகிறோம் காதல் வாகனம் செந்தாமரை செந்தேன் மழை என் நாவி நீயே தேவி ராஜராஜ சோழன்
So Deva and team. So Deva,
That's the Twisters.
திருப்பி வந்திருக்கீங்க.
ஹாப்பியாக இருக்குது திரும்ப எங்கள் சீனியர்ஸ் முன்னாடி ஆடுறதுக்கு.
Hi, this is Michael Jackson. My life will never be the same. Broken and changed. Forget I cannot explain the thing I feel for you. Girl, your love is true. Stay with me, I feel my beat. I'll be all in me. Feels like
Hey, Dura Club Crew. JPRS, Ivan there.
To present a bouquet to the Registrar of Anna University, Dr. Ganesan, and lead him on to the dais, please.
Our president welcoming our registrar.
Thank you.
Good evening to you.
Mr. R. Mohan, to invite our guest of honor, Mr. Eisenhower, Director of Operations Saint Gobain. I request you to present the bouquet and lead him on to the dais, sir.
Good evening. Good evening. Please.
I now request committee member in charge of sports, Mr. Jay Kumar, to invite Mr. Durga Prasad, co-founder, director and CEO, Bhavan Cybertech. Thank you, sir.
Jay.
I now request our Vice President, Dr. S. Seladurai, to invite Mr. N. Ramachandran, Managing Director, Mel Services and Systems, to come out to the dais, please.
Please. Go along with it.
I now request our Honorary Treasurer, Mr. P.R. Sridharan, to invite Mr. Niti Mohan, Chairman, YK Group of Companies. Thank you, sirs. I would firstly like to invite our President, Mr. Raj Madhivanan, to welcome the gathering, please.
Respected Registrar, Anna University, Dr. S. Ganesan, respected Mr. Eisnova, Director Operations, St. Govindan, St. Malaysia, distinguished alumnus awardees, Mr. Durga Prasad, co-founder, Director and CEO of Bhavan Cybertech, Mr. N. Ramchandran, Managing Director, CEO of MEL Systems and Services, and Mr. V. Nidhi Mohan, Chairman, Vaige Group of Companies, Vice President of the club, Dr. Cheladurai, Honorary Secretary Mohan, Honorary Treasurer Sridharan, today's event coordinator and past Honorary Secretary Prem, my dear fellow Managing Committee colleagues, fellow club members and family, ladies and gentlemen, a warm good evening to you all. With great happiness, I would like to wish each and every one of you a happy 23rd anniversary of our unique club. On this happy occasion, it is my great pleasure to welcome the chief guest of the evening, Dr. S. Ganesan, Registrar, Anna University. I have a double pleasure in welcoming Dr. Ganesan, first as a member of the club and secondly as the Registrar of Anna University, who always extends his time and energy towards any matters relating to the club. I welcome Mr. Eisnova, Director Operations, St. Govind, Solar Malaysia, and Chairman of CA Tamil Nadu State Council, who will be the guest of honor today and also doubles up as a felicitation function on being elected as the CA President of Southern Region. Welcome you, sir. It was last year management committees aided by Mr. N.S. Kumar's decision to honor our own club members who excel in the industry and recognize them as in the appropriate forum. In continuation of the same, this year the management committee had identified 3 of our alumnus and will be honoring them today. I'm glad to welcome Mr. Durga Prasad, co-founder, director and CEO of Bhavan Cybertech. For those who are not aware of Bhavan Cybertech, which is a leader in the industry and closer to home, the sponsor of Alumni Club Bhavan Cybertech cricket tournament conducted by our club for over 6 years. Mr. Durga Prasad is a cricket team player of College of Engineering, India during his college days. Welcome you, Mr. Durga Prasad. I extend my warm welcome to Mr. N. Ramchandran, Managing Director and CEO of MEL Systems and Services. Welcome, Mr. Ramchandran. His achievements are known, but true to himself, he shuns publicity on his accomplishments. Thank you, sir. Welcome again. I am pleased to extend my welcome to Mr. V. Nidhi Mohan, Chairman and Managing Director, Chairman, Vaige Group of Industries, Madurai. I had seen Mr. Nidhi Mohan in a closer circle and admired his leadership qualities and sharing knowledge with others, and especially the way he had founded Young Entrepreneur School, which is called S, where he guides almost 100 entrepreneurs. Welcome you, Nidhi. I also extend my warm welcome to all the members of the club and their spouses. Thanks to the visionary people like Professor Hegde, Dr. M. Anandakrishnan, who had laid the foundation stone for this unique club in 1992 and built brick by brick by the following management committees to have brought it where we stand today. The efforts put in by past presidents, starting with Professor Hegde, Mr. T.M. Jawaharlal, P.R. Sridharan, T.S. Dhanapalan, N.S. Kumar, Mr. C.S. Vijayaraghavan, Mr. Ranganathan, Mr. Prabhakaran and Mr. Dr. Chandrasekhar, along with the committee members, have brought this club to the extent with all facilities which a club not noteworthy, and our heartfelt thanks to each and every one of the past management committees.
And this will mark the 23rd Club Day celebrations of Alumni Club. I request all the guests to join in, please. Thank you, sirs.
Thank you, Sarwan. It's a time to honor the outstanding members of this prestigious Alumni Club Anna University. First, Mr. Durga Prasad, co-founder, director and CEO, Bhavan Cybertech. Your co-founder, Bhavan Cybertech Group, BCT, in 1999 and grew the company to a 2,200 strong, $225 million multinational company spread over 20 countries across 4 continents. Your vision of creating a world-class IP-driven organization led to BCT launching the Q-Center suite of products addressing transformational initiatives in areas such as power, oil and gas, logistics, payments, government, predictive analytics, social media analytics, and education. You were instrumental in creating a thought leadership initiative between Bhavan Cybertech and the global major DHL to form a 4th-party logistic organization for petroleum development, Oman. With a strong desire to give back to your alma mater, you set up the AUBCT Kalam Center of Excellence in the CEG campus to enable students and the faculty of CEG to enhance their professional skills and technical knowledge. We, the members of Alumni Club, are proud to present the Distinguished Alumnus Award for your entrepreneurship, innovation, industry education collaboration, social and environmental leadership. We wish you continued success in all your endeavors. Now I request Dr. Ganesan, Registrar, Anna University, to hand over the award to Mr. Durga Prasad. You entered the Vaigai Group in 1983 at the young age of 22. And over the past 35 years, you have taken the Vaigai Group from $15,000 to $16 million with your enterprise and diligence. Your stewardship of the group led to the industry leadership in potassium chlorate, rice bran oil, construction, and agro-commodity trading. You expanded business to over 20 countries across 4 continents, generating 12% of revenues inside India. You have built a highly successful organization built on meritocracy, anchored by a devoted force of 500 employees. As a firm believer that knowledge is the best endowment one can give another, you founded the Young Entrepreneurs School, YES, YES, for young entrepreneurs to learn the latest in global business practices. You are also an ardent player of badminton who set up a state-of-the-art badminton facility in Madurai to develop the sport. We, the members of Alumni Club, have proud to present the Distinguished Alumnus Award for your business leadership, enterprise, sports, and entrepreneurship development. We wish you continued success in all your endeavors. May I now request Dr. Ganesan to present the award to Mr. Nidhi Mohan. I request Mr. Eisenhower to hand over the citation to Mr. Nidhi Mohan. Mr. N. Ramachandran, Managing Director, CEO, Mel Systems and Services. You have been trailblazer in the electronics industry for more than 40 years. As the Managing Director of Mel Systems and Services Limited, you lead a company which is an industry leader in automation and control, defense electronics, and automatic test equipments. You have specialized in electronics manufacturing services, strategic electronics for defense and space, photonics for telecom. You have been involved closely with the Alumni Association of Madras Institute of Technology, MIT, and Indian Institute of Foreign Trade. You served as a member of the Board of Governors of MIT. You have been active in industry bodies like CAI and ELSINA having served as the president of both MIT and LCNA. You have been very active in the Rotary movement to make a difference to the society. We, the members of Alumni Club, are proud to present the Distinguished Alumnus Award for your contribution to the electronics industry, social service, and industry leadership. We wish you continued success in all your endeavors. May I now request Mr. Eisenhower to hand over the award to Mr. N. Ramachandran. I request Dr. Ganesan to hand over the citation to Mr. N. Ramachandran.
One of the key points the committee is focusing on is greater interaction with the students of the club. And in that initiative, of the university, in that initiative, in fact, there are some prizes which have to be given to the students for two aspects. One is we had a landscape competition for the staff students. They're going to be awarded. We have 3 prizes for that. And the other is the implementation of Wi-Fi in the Alumni Club. I think all of you have been using the Wi-Fi, and that was done by the MIT students. So before even we award them, I'd like to give them a huge round of applause. The committee for having taken the initiative and the students for having participated. In fact, we have a lot of events lined up. And I now request Dr. M.S. Srinivasan, Chairman of the Alumni Club University Coordination Committee, to say a few words and announce the name of the winners. Over to you, sir.
Good evening, fellow members, dignitaries on and off the dais, our respected Registrar, Anna University, our dear friends. Everyone is aware that Anna University, under the dynamic leadership of our Vice Chancellor and the Registrar, has already taken the lead in industry education collaboration. Now, Alumni Club takes pride in associating itself with Anna University students in club's project work. Accordingly, Alumni Club decided to involve Anna University students to competitions in developing projects to the club, such as design for area development, installation of Wi-Fi structures, systems, etc.
And I now request Dr. M.S. Srinivasan, Chairman of the Alumni Club University Coordination Committee, to say a few words and announce the name of the winners. Over to you, sir.
Good evening, fellow members, dignitaries on and off the dais, our respected Registrar, Anna University, our dear friends. Everyone is aware that Anna University, under the dynamic leadership of our Vice Chancellor and the Registrar, has already taken the lead in industry education collaboration. Now, Alumni Club takes pride in associating itself with Anna University students in club's project work. Accordingly, Alumni Club decided to involve Anna University students to competitions in developing projects to the club, such as design for area development, installation of Wi-Fi structures, systems.
Ladies and gentlemen, a wonderful evening to you all. I invite Dr. Ganesan, Registrar, Anna University, to address August gathering. Dr. Ganesan, thank you.
Honorary President of this club, Raj Madhivanan, Honorary Secretary, Mr. Morgan, Honorary Vice President, Dr. Chelladurai, Honorary Treasurer, Mr. Sridharan, Guest of Honor, Mr. Eisenhower, Distinguished alumnus of today's function, Mr. Durga Prasad, Mr. Ramachandran, Mr. Nidhi Mohan, Mr. Srinivasan, Chairman, Coordination Committee, Anna University Alumni Club, faculty members from Anna University, alumni members, family members of Alumni Club, dear student friends, good evening one and all. Indeed, I am very happy to be here during the birthday function of 23rd birthday function of our alumni club. This day may be marked as the Thanksgiving Day to all the senior members who have involved in establishing this wonderful and unique club. We got to recall the people who are involved in starting this club, starting from our then Vice Chancellor, Professor M. Ananthakrishnan, Professor Hegde, and also our past President and their office bearers, starting from Mr. Sridharan, Mr. Dhanabalan, Mr. Kumar, Mr. Vijayaraghavan, Mr. Jawaharlal, Mr. Ranganathan, Mr. Prabhakaran, and Mr. Chandrasekharan and his office bearers and present club. Each team somehow have involved in developing this club. As Mr. Ramachandran CEO has mentioned, we got to congratulate Anna University this year as per the QS World Ranking in Engineering and Technology. Anna University has come, is placed in 293 93rd rank actually. Great. Overall rank, in the world rank actually. As far as publication is concerned, based on H-Index, it is in the 93rd position worldwide.
Wow.
But I would like to tell proudly that among all the state universities, Anna University is the only university in the ranking actually.
Good.
With this few words, I thank the office bearers for having given me this opportunity. I deem it a great privilege to read over the profile of Mr. S.N. Eisenhower. Swaminathan Eisenhower is at present the Director of Operations at St. Gobain Glass India and Solar Malaysia. Mr. Swaminathan Eisenhower obtained his B.Tech in Chemical Engineering from our very own AC Tech, Chennai in 1974 and MBA from All India Management Association, New Delhi. And thank you so much, sir, for coming here today. I now request our Honorary Secretary, Mr. R. Mohan, to give the vote of thanks.
Good evening again, ladies and gentlemen. The most awaited moment, vote of thanks. A very memorable club day again, underway in style. I thank Dr. Ganeshan, Registrar, Anna University, for consenting to preside over the function. Thank you, sir. I thank Mr. Swaminathan Eisenhower, Director of Operations, St. Gobain, for consenting to be the chief guest for the occasion, and it was all over just a phone call. Thank you, sir. I thank Mr. Durga Prasad, Mr. N. Ramachandran, and Mr. Nidhi Mohan for doing us proud by accepting the Distinguished Alumnus Awards in
Raj on the guitar. So he's going to sing a medley of songs for us. He used to be the entertainment committee member. He was instrumental in bringing many troops to the club, and we are really glad to have him perform here. Over to Shri.
Thank you, Prem. Hello, everybody. Good to be back here after a long, long time. And this goes out to some people who love a lot of rock and roll. And those guys sitting out there, Solomon, Lash, I think Swami is not around, and all of the people who love a little bit of Western here. Okay, so we're going to start with a wake-up song for you here, and it goes like this. Wake up, little Susie, wake up. Wake up, little Susie, wake up. We both feel sound asleep. Wake up, little Susie and me. The movie's so much 4 o'clock and we're in trouble. We wake up, little Susie. Wake up, little Susie. Well, what are you gonna tell you? mama? What you gonna tell your papa? What you gonna tell your friends when they say, ooh la la, wake up, little Susie?
Wonderful food out here. Everyone's enjoying. Hi, good evening. How's the food going?
Enjoying. Yeah, very much.
Wonderful, ma. Hey, great.
Wonderful, wonderful.
Great, fantastic.
Okay. Everybody's hands are engaged. Okay. We're going to have some peppy song.
Jingle-a-mari, sirichu putta nejla aane. Vengala kinni, ullira no bandira vele. Naavakku pakkathula pogaadava, oru noolu illa silakada aadadava. Ada nee vandaya vandagaale amaga.
Chingina mani, sirju putta nejlaane. Vengala kelli, pola minnu mandiramene.
Mr. Sharma here.
Hey, this is dinner time, and I'm going to be very happy receiving my dinner plate from the great Nandu here. Thank you.
பொன்னொன்று கண்டேன் பெண்ணங்கு இல்லை என்னென்று நான் சொல்லலாகுமா? என்னென்று நான் சொல்ல வேண்டுமா? பூவொன்று கண்டேன் முகம் காணவில்லை என்னென்று நான் சொல்லலாகுமா? ஏனென்று நான் சொல்ல வேண்டுமா?
இப்போ நான் வந்து I became an investor for the last 15 years. நான் வந்து HP-ல ஒரு 8 countries Europe, Africa, US. இப்போ வந்து India growth story-ல
Take privilege in introducing my band members, which I shouldn't forget to do so. We have David on the keys, Manuel on the keys, one of the best musicians in Chennai. Proud to say, guitarist Jerry, bass guitarist Naveen, rhythm guitarist, of course, your club member, my very good friend Shankar. On the flute we have Sai Amadan. On the rhythm bass here we have Charles. On the acoustic drums we have Anbu. On the tabla, Shekhar and his friend Jason. Sorry, today. We have good audio engineer today who did a great job in the evening. Mr. Sheriff from Ganesh Audio. We have Naveen to take over this song, please. One.
Who's the hero? Kakabanda Batiyaro. Kakabanda Patigalay. Who's the hero? Who's the hero? Kakabanda Batiyaro. Kakabanda Patigalay.
மூடிக்கொண்டு விழவே மௌனமே தாரையா ஒரு பாட்டு பாட வேண்டும் நானுமே தாரையா ஒரு வார்த்தை பேச வேண்டும் வாங்கி திட்டு சும்மா கட உத்தராத பொருள எட்டிடுவேன் வரல நீ தூக்காதட பொருள நான் வச்சிடுவேன் வரல ராருதாத்தல நாளாடிட்டேன் ஒரு சீட்டா கையா போட்டு தள்ளி தர வாங்கிட்டேன் அப்பனடா ஆளே இல்ல சொல்ல வாங்கிட்டேன் நான் முன்ன போல இப்போ இல்ல ரொம்ப மாறிட்டேன்.
Alumni Club, Anna University.